Daily use English. Questions with answers. How are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am busy right now. Can you wait? Please wait a moment. Do you understand? I don't understand. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you.
Should I thank you? Thank you. Should I say welcome?
You're welcome. Can I have your attention? Excuse me. Are you sorry? I am sorry. Is everything okay? It's okay.
What do you mean? I think so. Do you think so? I don't think so.
Shall we go? Let's go. Should I sit? Sit down. Should I stand?
Stand up. Should I come? Come here. Should I go there?
Go there. How should I be? Take care. When will I see you? See you later. What's happening? What's going on? Do you like it? I like it. Do you dislike it? I don't like it.
On what does it depend? It depends. Are you sure?
I'm not sure. Can you wait? Wait a second. Is there any problem? No problem. Am I correct? That's right. Am I wrong? That's wrong. Where are you going? I am going to market. Are you coming? I am coming. Speak slowly. I agree. Can I call you later? Call me later. Can you repeat? Please repeat. Can you speak slowly? Speak slowly. Do you agree? I agree. Do you disagree? I disagree. Are you outside? Yes, I am outside. Is it raining? Yes, it is raining. Is it hot today? Yes, it is hot today. Is it cold today? Yes, it is cold today. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee.
What are you looking for? I am looking for my phone. Can you wait for me? Yes, please wait for me. Can I sit here? Yes, you can sit here. Can I go now? Yes, you can go now. Shall I call you? Yes, call me. Should I message you? Yes, message me. Are you alone? Yes, I am alone. Is everything clear? Yes, everything is clear. Is this enough? Yes, this is enough. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. What time will you come? I will come in the evening. How long will it take? It will take some time. Where are you now? I am at home right now. Why are you late? I was busy. Who is calling you? My friend is calling me. Who are you waiting for? I am waiting for you. Can you explain again? Yes, I can explain again. Can you do it today? Yes, I can do it today. Is this important? Yes, this is important. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for latest updates. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.